Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hop 2.5, week number 4. We took a look at putting a turn to the outside in a swing out. It looks like this. We can go side by side and trip, full step, and trip, full step. Rock, step, trip, full step. To the outside, trip, full step, rock, step. The leaders turn, and there we go. We had two side-by-side variations. When we were side-by-side here, we can connect this hand, hoop, and then a hop, and then a hoop, and then you can close it. We also took a look at making that into a tuck turn. Hoop, open, tuck, and there it is. We also made it into a corridor, and it started to travel down the line. It looks like so. We're going rock, step, triple step, connect the hands, open, hoop, heat, hop, tuck turn, and there we go. Week number 4. Thank you very much.